In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send WooCommerce order notifications on WhatsApp automatically. This is perfect if you want to instantly notify customers when they place an order, improve communication, and increase trust in your store. By the end of this tutorial, your WooCommerce store will automatically send WhatsApp messages whenever a new order comes in. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get your WhatsApp API keys from Meta. Open your browser and go to developers.facebook.com. This will take you to the Meta Developers portal. Once you're there, log in with your Facebook account. At the top right, click on My Apps, then click Create App. When prompted to choose an app type, select Other, then choose Business and continue through the setup process. Follow the prompts until your app is created. After your app is ready, scroll down inside the dashboard until you find the WhatsApp product. Click on Setup next to WhatsApp. This will open the WhatsApp API setup page. On this page, you'll see important credentials that we need to connect WooCommerce to WhatsApp. Specifically, you need to copy 3 things: your temporary access token, your phone number ID, and your WhatsApp business account ID. Keep this page open or copy these details into a secure document because we'll paste them into WordPress in the next step. Now let's connect this to WooCommerce. Go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Notiqoo, which was previously known as WC Messaging. Once you see the plugin appear, click Install Now, and after installation, click Activate. After activation, you'll see a new Notiqoo menu item in your WordPress sidebar. Click on Notiqoo, then go to Settings. Here, you'll see fields where you can paste your WhatsApp API credentials. Paste your temporary access token into the access token field, then paste your phone number ID into the corresponding box. Finally, paste your WhatsApp business account ID into its field. Once everything is filled in, click Save Changes. At this point, your WooCommerce store is successfully connected to the WhatsApp API. Next, we need to set up the actual notification message that customers will receive. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Notiqoo, then click on WhatsApp Templates. Click Add New to create a new template. Here you'll define the message that will automatically be sent when an order is placed. When creating your message, you'll use placeholders to dynamically insert order information. For example, you could type, "Hi first name, thanks for your order, #order number. We are now processing it." In this example, the placeholders will automatically pull in the customer's name and order number. This makes the message personalized and professional. Once you've written your template, click Submit for approval. Meta reviews WhatsApp templates before they can be used. In 2026, approvals usually take under 2 minutes, so it's very fast. Once your template is approved, it becomes active and ready to use inside your WooCommerce notification workflow. Finally, you can configure which order statuses trigger WhatsApp notifications, such as processing or completed, directly inside the Notiqoo settings. Make sure you select the appropriate order status so customers receive messages at the right time. And that's it. You've now successfully set up WooCommerce order notifications on WhatsApp. From now on, every time a customer places an order, they'll instantly receive a WhatsApp message confirming their purchase. This not only improves customer experience, but also increases transparency and reduces support questions. If this tutorial helped you set this up, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.